So my name is Wardom Kamanchai. I'm the CEO and founder of Alto Tech. So we are AI and IoT startup based in Thailand. So we built Alto Energy Edge, the platform for managing energy inside hotel, building, and smart city. So based on the problem, so if we don't do anything, right, our work gonna be impacted by a lot by climate change, right? So 5 people gonna die annually. GDP impact gonna be reduced by 18%, right? If we do nothing, so we need to stop, adding GHG to our atmosphere. So when we look at the source of GHG emissions, it coming from manufacturing, it coming from building and electricity consumption. So looking at the sector that has most potential, building has the potential that we can reduce CO2 at low cost. Not only us that think about this, but also like, big corporate in Thailand, in Southeast Asia, or around the world, they set the target to reduce CO2 emission by 30% by 2030. So, but reducing CO2 emission and being energy efficient is not easy, right? It's really hard and complicated because why? Because building has a lot of system. You have pumps, you have chillers, you have lighting system and AC that come from different brands, come from different protocols and different platforms, right? So, and also, even though you have that complex system, you also need expert, right? You have to have expert that really hard to hire, really hard to find out, right? So you have mechanical engineer, electrical engineer who really expert. So really hard to find. But even though you have expert, you still have manual control. You have so many screens, so many systems that it's hard to control. So what we do, we develop Alto Energy Edge, which is the platform that comprises of 3 parts. So number 1, we have Alto OS, which is the operating system that connect device from various vendor, various manufacturers, chiller, lighting, different aircon system, something like that. So we have that data integration. We have energy analytics that can analyze the potential of energy saving of building automatically by our virtual data scientists. So after that, we not only stop only at analytics, we go forward to building what we call self-driving algorithm based on, we build it based on reinforcement learning algorithm that this algorithm gonna drive building so that aircon, lighting, pumps, they're working together to help building to save energy. So what we are doing, we implement our solution in 4 steps. Number 1, we do energy audit, find the estimate potential energy saving. Number 2, we design, install IoT device. Number 3, we run our self-driving algorithm based on the model that we train on digital twin of the building itself. Number 4, we have a web application that building owners and stakeholders can go and see their saving and get the insights. For example, we implement Alto Energy Edge at one of the corporate building in Bangkok. It's called the building called Big Green Gardening. So for this building, it has solar, it had aircon, it had fresh air device, it has curtain, everything. So based on 2019 standard, this building is fine. But if we're gonna see that, okay, this building gonna is still pollute our environment, right? To become zero energy building in the next 15 years, we have to reduce energy consumption by half. And without control, without software, this building gonna emit a lot of CO2, right? So what Alto Energy Edge do, we develop AI algorithm that make building to be able to see. It can see how many people in the building. It can feel people how too hot or too cold. It can predict what will be the load, what will be the solar, what will be the outdoor weather, and then it can act by itself. So this is how our algorithm work. We develop digital twins of the building, and we train our AI model to be able to control this building. After we get the AI model that can be able to optimize energy consumption in the simulated world, we deploy this algorithm into the real world on our Alto OS algorithm and let it control, for example, automatically set temperature setting of aircon automatically, or select which FCU, HU, or aircon to on and off at different time of the day. And people can also give the feedback to train the building to act smarter and save energy. So we can run the building in 2 modes. Number 1, self-driving, that all devices inside the building gonna gonna control itself automatically by our agents. And when we have to do operation, we can run it in manual mode. So based on what we do, we can save energy around 10 to 30% comparing to the base case that no control or manual by human. So we can help building save a lot of energy. So for our business model, it's really simple. We based on energy saving from the electricity bill, we get the share saving from their saving, and they can choose whether they want to buy, subscribe, take loan from bank, or even escrow to go and invest for their project. So with this,
30 seconds left.
So with this, we can scale our solution to different type of building like factory, supermarket, hotel, hospital, and we can extend. We don't only save energy, but we can do demand response or extend to carbon trading market that owner can claim their carbon reduction, and even blockchain energy trading. And Southeast Asia market, it's like trillion of dollars. So our traction, we did a project with 25 clients, like a big one, and we have like hundreds of clients that who interest and in our project pipeline now. Our team comprised of experts from different fields. So I graduated from Virginia Tech and did a lot of energy project innovation with US Department of Energy and also like Ministry of Energy in Thailand. And our team, we have mechanical engineer and expert in computer engineer. So we already raised fund at seed round with 500 startup, which is like global angel, global VC. So we now open for collaboration with different stakeholders like customer, partner, and also like we also like looking for Series A investor. So thank you so much.